Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can create an account on Presto. Presto is an electronic reloadable free card that helps make traveling on transit easy and convenient at a discounted fare. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get up to date. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC that you are currently using in. Then go to the new tab and search for a www.prestocard.ca and press enter. Now here at the official web page of Presto, you can see the sign in/sign up button on top right side of your screen. You need to click on it. As we are going to create a new account on Presto, you need to click on create an account. Here to create your account, you need to provide the following details. Starting from the very first, you need to go with the user information. First, you need to provide your name. Then you need to provide your street address, city. Then you need to provide your province, your country, postal code, primary phone number, and secondary phone number. Here, after providing all the details, you need to click on the checkbox, I would like to receive information. Now here you will see account information page where you need to provide your username. Then go in for providing your email address. Then you need to enter your password. Re-enter your password for the confirmation. Now here you need to choose a security question. Go in for answering the question. Here after providing all the details, you need to scroll a little down. There you need to click on checkbox I agree to the terms and condition. Once you are done providing all the details, you need to click on create my account. Now here you need to verify your email. For that you need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the Presto. So go to your mailbox. Here you can see a mail from Presto on very top. You need to click and open the mail. Now here to finish the email verification, you need to click on the link provided. Here you can see the email address has been verified. You click on continue. And with that, your account on Presto has been registered. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can create an account on Presto. Thank you.